Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's one is going to be a very quick and easy one. Do you have turmeric at home? Do you have lemon at home? Let's get right into the kitchen and I will show you how you can mix lemon, mix turmeric to get rid of dark spots. There are other things you can add to it and it will help clear your dark spots. I was having a serious dark spot, but as you can see, they are beginning to fade away. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use turmeric, lemon. These are the two major ingredients with other things you can add to it that can help to clear your dark spot. Okay, that's what we're going to be doing today. And you know, it's no longer news that turmeric is a very powerful ingredient when it comes to getting rid of dark spot. Many cosmetic companies, they use turmeric to formulate their skincare products. You know that, right? So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use it at home, what you can add to it at home that can help to get rid of dark spot, that can help to clear your skin, clear your face, and give you that bright, youthful glow. Okay, guys, without much talk, let's get right into it. So guys, for the treatment, I'll be using lemon peel. If you don't have lemon peel, you can use orange. Did you see that scar on my hand? I got burnt, like I was seriously burnt, but it's beginning to clear. So like I said, if you don't have lemon, you can use orange. Lemon peel contains vitamin C, which helps to brighten the skin. It helps to fight acne and blemishes. Lemon peel will help to give you a brighter shade of your skin tone. It also helps to nourish and moisturize your skin. It helps to eliminate excess oil on the skin. It also helps to fight hyperpigmentation. There are a lot of skin benefits of lemon peel and orange peel also. So after that, after grating the skin, the next thing to do is to go ahead and squeeze in some amount of the juice, because the juice also helps in brightening the skin. It also helps to fight acne and skin blemishes. Okay, so after that, the next thing you have to add is coffee. Yes, get your coffee, go ahead and add about 1 teaspoon of coffee into it. So we'll be using coffee because coffee is a great skin exfoliant. It helps to exfoliate the skin. When I say exfoliate the skin, it helps to get rid of dead skin cells from the skin. It helps to unclog your pores. Okay, so using honey on your skin helps a lot. It also helps to reduce cellulite. It has anti-aging properties also. So go ahead and add about 1 teaspoon of it, and once that is done, the next thing you need to add is honey. Honey is also very good to the skin. It helps to nourish the skin. It helps to moisturize the skin. It helps to fight hyperpigmentations. It helps to reduce the signs of premature aging. Yes, so if you get original honey, yes, it will do the work. Just go ahead and add some amount of honey into it. Once that is done, you mix it very well. After mixing it, the next thing you have to add here is turmeric. Guys, turmeric is different from curry, but when it's in powder form, they look alike. This one is turmeric, not curry. Okay, some people mistake this to be curry, but it's not curry. Turmeric is very powerful, it's very beneficial to the skin. A lot of cosmetic companies, they use it to formulate their skincare products. So applying turmeric on your skin will actually help to brighten your skin. So guys, here I have the treatment with me, and this is how you can easily use this to get rid of dark spots. Guys, this is effective. This is effective. As you can see, I had dark spots here and I've been using this. As you all can see, is beginning to fade away. As you can see, they are beginning to fade away. So this will actually help a lot if you have dark spots. Okay, so how to use it is you go ahead and get a cotton wool or brush. If you don't have cotton wool, you can use brush. Go ahead and take some amount of it, then start applying it all over your face. Go ahead and apply it on your face. avoid your eye area to avoid stories that touches the heart though. Don't let it enter into your eyes. So this is all you need to clear your dark spots. With consistency, this will help to clear your dark spots, guys. To help to give you that young and youthful glow. It will help to brighten your face, to help to get rid of acne. While preparing it, if the consistency is too thick, you can go ahead and add more honey and lemon. Add honey and lemon just to, just to make it a little bit watery, so you can be able to apply it on your face. So this is it. After applying it now, I will wait for 35 or 40 minutes, and after that I will wash it out. Once I wash it out, I will go ahead and apply my face moisturizer or face cream, any face cream or any face moisturizer. But this is my face moisturizer. I use Cetaphil face moisturizer. This helps a lot. This is very good. It's very nice. But you can use any one you have, okay, guys? So that is it. This is how you can clear dark spots at home. This is the easy way you can use to clear dark spots at home with consistency. Yes, with consistency. If you have a lot that is remaining after using it, you can store it in the fridge, then use it the next day. After the next day, you discard the remaining one, okay? These are natural ingredients. We didn't add any preservative in it, so don't let it sit for 3 days or 4 days. If you prepare it today, after tomorrow, discard the remaining one. But it's always good to prepare your DIY in a small quantity, the one you can finish at once usage, okay, guys? So that is it. Try this treatment at least 3 times in a week, okay? With time, you begin to see your dark spots fading away. You begin to see them clearing. You begin to notice smooth and flawless skin. Yes. So that is it. Please, if you've watched to this point, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Bye.